Guys, if you are planning to go sneaker hunting dito sa may Hong Kong, you better watch this. And ayun na nga, another successful vlog with you guys dito sa my Hong Kong. So, ayan, hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog dahil sobrang pagod and sobrang daming pinuntahan. Pero magagawa siguro ako ng full unboxing haul ng mga nakuha natin dito sa Hong Kong. So, nandito ako ngayon sa may Russell Street. Ayan, makikita nyo yung Nike Lab yan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo sa kung nasan ako. Makikita nyo yung Nike Lab dito guys sa may Russell Street. At the same time, katabi lang din niya yung Stussy and yung Carhartt doon sa may gilid. Benta natin yan sa store, so abangan nyo na lang guys. Ipopost namin lahat yan after our trip. So pag uwi ko mag-aayos lang kami, then straight pictures sa tagad and makukuha nyo na kagad yung item siguro after 1 to 2 days sa store. So ayan, maraming salamat sa panonood. So guys, habang naglalakad tayo papunta sa Sneaker Street, make sure to finish this video dahil meron akong big announcement na sasabihin sa dulo. So yeah, make sure na tapusin nyo to and tara, enjoy na natin tong vlog na to. Let's go! Guys, if you are traveling via train, all you gotta do is pumunta kayo dito sa may Mong Kok Station and then walking distance na lang siya from the streets of Sneaker Street. May kita nyo kagad yung logo ng Nike doon. So yan, pag nakikita nyo yan, malapit-lapit na kayo. Lalakad na lang tayo ng onte. Let's go! So guys, ayan, first stop natin, dito tayo sa New Balance. Meron mga 530s dito na retail nyo lang makukuha. Meron din tong sikat na metallic silver ba to ng New Balance 530 din. Ayan, then ito yung store nila, marami pa silang models na kasama dito. Merong mga 327s dito na men's, 550s na men's din. Mga 2002R din dito at retail. So, magkano ba retail? 1,099. Convert nyo na lang. So guys, imagine isang street pa lang to, dalawang New Balance na store kagad ang meron. Then may kita mo Adidas kagad dito, merong Nike Kicks Lounge dyan. Then on the next street kagad guys, as in sa kabila lang, another Nike store na naman. Makikita mo dyan. Tapos may isang malaking building dito, multi-brands, mamaya natin i-visit. grabe guys, sobrang daming steel dito. Nakikita mo, meron pang J4 bread na Reimagine seating lang dito. And then dito naman may kita mo may bread tour pa. Naka-sale siya from 819 to 509 Hong Kong dollars na lang. Kung kinonvert mo siya, nasa around 3,637 lang. Grabe, sobrang mura. So yun guys, while we are walking here sa Sneaker Street, luckily, saktong-sakto guys, naglo-launch ang Puma right now. They are launching their new silhouette or new style ng running shoes, which is the Puma Nitro. So yan, first time natin makapanood ngayon ng product launch, and sobrang solid dahil ginawa talaga nila to in the middle of the streets of Mong Kong Sneaker Street. Ngayon, and ayan, grabe, sobrang nakakatuwa. So hintayin natin kung tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari sa event.
同埋咧，今次呢對鞋嘅特點咧，就係我覺得。
So yun guys, konting commercial lang. So yun nga, launching ng Puma Nitro Lab Velocity 3 dito sa may Sneaker Street ngayon. And then kinuha pala nilang endorser. Sino na ulit yun?
Mr. Adrian Semblat.
Adrian Semblat. Siya yung asawa?
Husband ni Isabel Daza. I think they're...
Patingin, patingin.
They are ano na...
Ayan, si Adrian Semblat.
Yeah.
So ayun guys, endorser pala siya ng Puma. That's why he is here sa may Hong Kong ngayon. Ayun.
Dito sila nagre-reside.
Dito sila nagre-reside. Kaya pala. So yan, luckily nakita natin mag-launch sila ngayon. So ayan, back na ulit tayo sa sneaker hunting. Dahil excited na ako. Let's go! So yun guys, sobrang daming choices ng mga 327s and mga New Balance dito, like this one. Yan, 869 lang Hong Kong dollars. Tapos saka-discount pa sila. Nandito lang lahat yan sa Sneaker Street. Then halo-halo sila ng brands. May mga stores dito na halo-halo. May Hoka, may mga Adidas, New Balance. And then kita niyo dito may mga Jordans and mga Nikes. So ayan, pag nandito kayo sa Sneaker Street, dapat alam nyo rin tumingin ng dahil halos pare-parehas lang sila ng mga displays, pero it still depends on the price.
Hi! I'm shooting. Asa na tayo?
So, ayan, nagtitingin-tingin tayo ng pwede nating mabili right now. Nag-start tayo sa unang street. So, makikita nyo. Ayan guys, sobrang dami. Like, almost every store meron silang Nike. Parang ang Nike na store dito sa isang street. Abutin na ata ng 7-8 na stores. Pero, ayan, bawat store multi-brands naman ang hawak nila. So, pag bibili kayo dito, talagang pwede kayong mag-haggle. May mga ibang stores din naka 9%, 10% discount. So ngayon try natin maghanap ng pwede nating i-bulk para madala natin sa store. Let's go. So yun guys, habang naglalakad, meron tayong nakitang sobrang liit lang na entrance dito. Para siyang hidden sneaker street dito sa may Hong Kong. Tara, pasukin natin. Pagdating nyo dito sa third floor, may kita nyo shoe locks, turn right lang kayo. Kita nyo na to. what's up guys? So we are here right now at Shulux, right?
Yeah, Shulux.
I'm together how do you pronounce it again?
Shulux.
Shulux. So I'm here with Mr. What's your name?
Jack.
Mr. Jack. So we're currently actually looking for some one of the best sneaker stores here in Hong Kong right now, and we saw your store signs downstairs, and we were surprised that your store were very nice. Just it looks like just like ours. It's also located on the top floor of the building. Can you tell our subscribers how did you guys started?
How we started, but we are start from the 2018, and from the beginning we are doing something like bulk selling.
Okay,
we got something like 1 to 200 pairs, and then we start to sell in the store, and we become a very small store in away here, and then we transfer to here in 2019. And then we start from the Yeezy. Yeezy is our major item.
Yeezy.
Yeah, Yeezy, and the Off-White the 10. Yeah, 2017. Yeah, we sell them all in 2018.
Wow.
And then by the COVID, we start to sell other items, something like dance, ones, fours, and also the whole item nowadays, the Jordan 1 nose. Yeah, that's we do it. Yeah.
Okay, so you guys opened this store way back 2019.
Yeah.
Okay, so how can they like go to your store? Can you tell them your address here?
Yeah, when you come to Hong Kong, the most convenient way is search our Instagram, such as the Shulux.
Yes, we'll put it
underscore, and then you also can find it in the Google Map. You just once you search the name in the Google, you can find us. Yeah, by the map.
Okay, guys. So go follow their store, and we're heading back to the sneaker street. Let's go.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Yes.
So guys, ayan, makikita nyo yung store ng Shulux. Beside Under Armour lang, dito lang din sa may Sneaker Street. Makikita nyo yan, ayan, kaharap ng malaking Just Do It tsaka Nike na sign. Tabi din siya ng Skechers. Go follow them guys and visit nyo sila dito sa Hong Kong. So ayun guys, medyo nagagabi na. Umakyat ako dito sa may The Forest na mall, and then nakita ko yung StockX. Akala ko store sila, pero drop-off area din pala nila. So first time ko rin na makapasok sa talagang StockX na drop-off store. So actually solid din yung mga display nila. Tingnan natin, let's go. Guys, finally nakahanap na rin tayo. Adidas Samba. Woo! Kakalabas lang today in burgundy colorway. Sobrang solid guys. Nakuha tayo full size run. So ayan, papadala na natin siya sa store natin. Available, so abangan niya.
You want to pay Hong Kong dollar or peso?
Let's check out natin few sizes ng bread tone. Nakuha natin siya na murang-mura, below SRP. Nakuha tayo, kumuha tayo ng few sizes, and then meron tayong na score natira ng J4 bread na reimagined. Ayan, grabe. Hindi pa natin to i-full unbox. Abangan nyo na lang yung full unboxing pagdating ng store, pero sobrang solid na ito guys. 5.5Y, 7 women's, available in store. Guys, quick update lang tayo. 7 pairs of Adidas, 2 pairs of Jordans tayo. So 9 pairs na tayo as of the moment. Medyo magaga pa ang gabi. Ikot pa tayo. Guys, kung nakaabot ka dito sa dulo ng vlog na to, congratulations dahil eto na ang big announcement natin for this vlog, guys. Magkakaroon tayo ng 5th anniversary event this coming March 16. So ayan, may kita nyo dito yung official poster. Magkakaroon tayo ng car, meet, and display sa may Photon, Bawang, La Union in collaboration with the one and only South Scene Media of Carl Makaisa. So yan, sobrang solid netong event na to and I hope to see you guys soon. So ayan, maraming salamat na rin sa panonood. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Peace out and see you soon.